When it comes to food and cancer risk, why does red food dye get the boot, while processed meats remain on the menu? Earlier this year, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration effectively banned red dye number 3 in foods, citing its potential cancer risk. The decision was part of a push supported by Secretary of Health and Human Services Robert F. Kennedy Jr. However, the decision raises the question, why target food dye when other foods with similar or greater cancer risks, like processed meats, continue to be sold and without warnings? For the last decade, the World Health Organization has classified processed meats, such as bacon, hot dogs, pepperoni, and ham, as carcinogenic to humans. It also classifies red meat, such as beef, pork, and lamb, as probably carcinogenic. But despite this, there are no major public health campaigns warning against their consumption. Red food dye, however, has received much public and political attention because, as Harvard professor Timothy Rebick says, it's easy to ban a compound that people are not culturally attached to. The same cannot be said of meat, which is heavily embedded in our culture. There's been some messaging from nonprofit organizations, such as the American Institute for Cancer Research, advocating for limiting red meat consumption and avoiding processed meat. And Rebick notes that when it comes to red meat, some of that messaging has had an impact. Beef consumption in the U.S. has been declining in recent years due to both increasing prices and growing awareness of health concerns. Processed meat consumption, however, has increased. Experts tell us this is due to a number of factors, including a lack of scientific consensus that processed meats cause cancer, the complexity of the research, and meat industry disinformation campaigns that downplay the health concerns. Read the full story on sentientmedia.org.